Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us on a journey to transform your aspirations into achievements. Today, we're diving deep into the secrets of setting and achieving your goals, from creating impactful habits to making every action count. Whether you're looking to advance in your career, improve your health, or master a new skill, you'll find practical advice and real-world examples to guide you. Let's get started and unlock the blueprint to your success. Number 1. Goal setting and identity. Our discussion opens with an examination of the importance of setting goals and aligning one's actions with their identity. It's highlighted that simply having goals isn't enough. The distinction between successful individuals and others lies in their habits and actions. The concept of be, do, have, popularized in personal development circles, suggests that embodying the characteristics of the person who achieves these goals is crucial. A young entrepreneur aiming to build a startup might set a goal to reach $1 million in revenue. Beyond just aiming for this financial target, they should start embodying the traits of successful entrepreneurs, such as being relentlessly resourceful, constantly learning, and networking effectively within their industry. A student aims to become a top scholar in their field. Instead of merely focusing on passing exams, they begin to embody the identity of a scholar by engaging in extensive research, attending academic conferences, and publishing papers. They align their daily activities with what an accomplished academic would do, fostering a deep engagement with their field of study beyond the classroom. Number 2. Keystone habits. A significant portion of today's video is dedicated to discussing keystone habits that can lead to success. We're going to explain that achieving goals isn't about ticking off a checklist, but about becoming the type of person who naturally engages in the behaviors necessary to achieve those goals. This transformation involves a deep introspection and a commitment to acting like the person you aspire to become, asking yourself repeatedly, "What would a wise person do?" Regular exercise can be a keystone habit that improves not just physical health, but also mental clarity, resilience, and discipline. For a business leader, maintaining an exercise regimen can lead to enhanced decision-making skills and better stress management, both crucial for running a successful company. For someone aiming to improve their financial health, establishing a keystone habit of reviewing and managing their budget weekly can lead to significant improvements in their overall financial awareness and decision-making. This habit could naturally extend to better spending decisions, increased savings, and investment behaviors, fundamentally altering their financial stability and growth. Number 3. The role of activities in success. We're further exploring how specific activities and behaviors directly contribute to achieving desired outcomes, such as acquiring more customers or improving personal health. It emphasizes the importance of public and private actions in business, such as more effective advertising and personal outreach. For achieving increased sales, a business might engage in activities such as optimizing their online presence through SEO, conducting direct outreach campaigns, or enhancing their product's visibility through content marketing on social media. An individual aiming for a promotion might focus on specific activities such as taking on leadership roles in projects, seeking feedback from supervisors, and engaging in professional development courses. These activities directly contribute to acquiring new skills and demonstrating their value and readiness for higher responsibilities in their career. Number 4. Overcoming barriers to action. Addressing the common hurdles that prevent people from engaging in beneficial activities. We plan to offer practical advice on how to align daily actions with long-term goals. This alignment is crucial in cultivating the habits and behaviors that lead to success. A person might procrastinate on starting a new business due to fear of failure. Overcoming this barrier could involve setting small, manageable objectives that gradually build toward launching the business, thus minimizing the fear associated with larger risks. A common barrier is the initial discomfort and effort required to exercise regularly. Overcoming this barrier might involve starting with lighter, more enjoyable forms of exercise to build the habit without overwhelming oneself. Gradually, as the habit solidifies, one can increase the intensity and frequency of workouts to achieve significant weight loss results. Number 5. Simplifying complex goals. Our discussion today prompts simplification of the complex web of daily decisions by encouraging viewers to constantly ask themselves how the person they aspire to be would act in various situations. This simple heuristic helps navigate daily life and aligns actions with personal and professional aspirations. Someone aiming to write a book might feel overwhelmed by the scope of the project. By simplifying the goal into daily writing targets, the larger task becomes more manageable. They might ask themselves daily, what would a successful author do today? And aim to write a set number of words or pages. An entrepreneur overwhelmed by the task of building a business from scratch can simplify their goals by focusing on one aspect at a time. For instance, they might start by defining their target market and creating a minimal viable product. This step-by-step approach reduces the complexity and makes the task more manageable, allowing them to focus on concrete actions that steadily build towards the larger goal. Thank you for joining us today. I hope you found these strategies useful and feel inspired to take action towards your goals. Remember, success is not just about setting goals, but also about becoming the person who can achieve them. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends who might benefit from it, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Drop a comment below to let us know which strategy you're going to implement first or share your own tips for success. See you in the next video where we'll continue to build the best version of ourselves. Until then, keep pushing forward.